Hi guys, Organized Mom here, and in today's video I wanted to give you a tour of my closet. Now if you're looking for like a magazine looking closet, this is not the video for you. This is my real closet with my real stuff I store on a real budget. I hope you enjoy these tips. Welcome to my closet. I don't care if your closet looks like mine or if it's completely different. These are budget-friendly tips that will work for any closet. I used to start out with just using these recycled hangers that would come with my clothes, but then I started buying these white ones from the Dollar Tree, and you get 7 in a pack for $1.25. And I eventually plan on switching out the recycled ones with the white ones as I get enough to use for my clothes. These bins up here came from the Dollar Tree. I keep my underwear and bras in the one and socks in the other. I really love these. Down here I keep a laundry basket, which I use as a halfway home. And these are the clothes that I'm not sure if I want to keep or not yet. And then as I wear anything in this bin, after they get washed, they'll get put back up and hung up with the rest of my clothes. Then once a year, whenever I decide to go through everything in this basket, I will purge and donate, and then I'll take everything that's hanging up and put it back down and start over again. And remember, your closet doesn't have to look like a magazine. It needs to function for you.